People of the internet, today I'll be turning this 4x4 block into candle holders that I'm going to be painting and staining. I started this about 2 to 3 years ago, and this is basically just me finishing that project that I never finished. Today is arts and crafts. Oh boy.
For this project, I'll be using 4x4 dimensional lumber, wood stain, acrylic paint, arts and crafts paintbrushes, frog tape, or if you're lame, regular blue painter's tape, X-Acto knife, Sharpie markers, mini candle holder tins. So for most of my videos, I've built things in the shop or out of aluminum extrusion. In this video, I'll be continuing painting these candle block things I started like 3 years ago and got lazy.
All right, so for this little step, I'm kind of backtracking. But clearly, you can see here that I've stained the wood. I'm also painting these things. So in order to do this, at least this is what I did, get yourself some frog tape. And this is going to be a very crude example. Tape the block. And this is really only if you're going to stain this and like put some sort of a design. on the block. I'm not sponsored by Frog Tape, but I think Frog Tape is awesome and it works great for this particular step. So there you go. Repeat to however many sides you want to. Say you want to do some circles like I'm doing. Something like that. If you want to keep the circles and you want to paint the circles similar to how I painted my pink circles or my slime, you're going to want to take a knife, preferably like an X-Acto knife, something pretty fine and detailed, and outline your design.